afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sarthika Devi. I am studying 5th class in Suryavidyalaya.
Oh, very good. Class for it. So next Adam.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nakaya Krish, and I am studying 5th class in Suryavidyalaya at Pune.
Wow, very good.